July 13th, 2023, this one here, I gotta go change an outside faucet for a lady. She got issues with the one she's got, so she wants it changed. So I'm not sure what's there now, but we're going over there and give it the old swapperoo. I got faucets in the truck, so we'll see what we got there and come up with a plan of attack. What we gotta do. This has got, it's kind of like weird where it goes down and bends, so I'm gonna try heating it up here and knocking it off if I can. Unsolder it, solder a new one on there. That's what I want to try to do. Hopefully. She wants to go back with this style. I'm going to do it without burning down the place. Ain't rocket science. There's all pecs on the inside of this thing. Pecs job from hell. Pecs job from hell. screws in it. It's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Look at that shit. Turn it on and we'll see if it's okay. There's a PEX job from hell here. She's turned the water on. Ooh. Well water. Look how rusty it is. Holy shit. She's a rusty one, Mama. She's rusty. She's gonna have to just shut this off for the winter. Look at the rust coming out of this thing. Just had the well replaced. Yeah, that's it. Look at the rust. Wow. This bad. That's good enough for this neighborhood. She's wondering why the toilet don't flush. Look at this thing. That's no good. Can't have that. We gotta fix that. Put a new handle, a new flapper in here. That's no good. Can't have that like that. It's all kind of slimy. Put a new flapper on there and a new flapper and a new handle. You can adjust it. I don't know if I get this handle out of here, it's going to want to probably hit the flipping. I don't know if I can get it out. I'm going to have to take the toilet out to get it out. That's good enough. This come out. It's broken. Oh, good. Look at another one here. Side flush. Bend it to get it in there. I don't know, it's just fucking toilets rocking and rolling here. These toilets are rocking and rolling. I don't think it's gonna go. What do you think? Maybe. She's a rocking and a rolling, Mama. Got a gasket there. Thing. Ain't rocket science. Ain't rocket science. Alright, and I might have to put this down a little bit more. You want to take the slack out of it. A little bit of slack, but not a lot. I'll try that out, see if that works. You gotta have this going in there, or the tank, the bowl, or the tank won't fill, the bowl won't fill up with water. This is not going in there when it's filling. Alright. You see where that is? It's too low. I'm going to adjust this This has to come up. It's all the way up. You see how low this is? It's no good. Somebody played around with it. Dumb. It's gotta come up higher than that. See if I can adjust it higher. That's better. That's a better height there for flushing. Let's see how that flushes now. That should flush better now. Let's see. Perfect. She's a flusher, Mama. She's a flusher. Alright, let's see if it flushes. That's it. This one here needs a flapper. I got under the flapper. I already tried pulling it out, but it was all mucky. Let me get this one. Let me swap this one out. This one's all pretty bad. This one, the handle is still okay. You're going to have a little slack on the chain, not a lot, a little bit. That should be better. Just needed a flapper. This one should come up 3/4 and shut off. There we go, right there. Perfect. Elja 3.5 gallon flush toilets. Little square front. Make sure it doesn't leak. Make sure the water stops. It should be fine. Yeah, see. There we go. Nothing wrong with that.